Alright, so we've got the Gasland inspired connections. I'm going to unbox it. We're going to see what we got in here. Alright, there it is. And yeah, got a little box here that we'll have to open up. I think this is a, okay. So it does come with a lot of parts, as you can see. You've got a bunch of washers, some connectors, screws, these big brass fittings. Set those over there. This is already set on there. What do we got here? Let's see what this is. I don't even know if I can set this up, I guess. Wow. Look at this thing. I have no idea what that is. Maybe that's the shower head. Oh, that's a shower head. All right, and this is the connector. More screws, right? And this with... Okay, so now we got to get this thing out of here. Here we are. That's it right there. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we got here. So it does have a connector that this would go to your gas, your propane, all right? Hot and cold, right? Stand it up here. This is where the water comes out, right? And right here, if this will come off of here, that's the water inlet. That's where the water is going to go in, all right? You got a warning here. All right, so let's flip it over here. And you can see this is the hot and cold. This is the, so you can hang it, right? You can hang it on something. Let's set her down. It's got a bunch of information here you might want to read. Okay, so that's all of that. I think what we need, all right, look, we've got a, all right, so this is the gas water heater. It's got all the information on how to use it right there. Deal here. Let's set that there. This, of course, is going to hook to your propane. All right, you're going to hook your. I guess this would be your shower head. It's got a couple different things on here. You can switch it. This is your on and off here. Stop. So you turn it on and off there. Right. That is your thing that you catch it with. And they've got these extra little parts here that you would use. And then this is the hose itself. And yeah, it says Gasland on it. And does it go here? Or does it go here? I think it goes here. I think that's how you'd put it on. So that would go on like that, right? Bam. And then this would go on the bottom here where the water comes out. And the water would come out and squirt out of this. So let's see what we got here. Slide this over. All right, so here is the water outlet. Let me show you. So this would connect on here. It doesn't really have threads in there, so that doesn't make a lot of sense. Maybe it's this goes on here first, like that. You follow me? And this right here would go on like that. There, done. And so now you've got everything ready to go. All I've got to do is connect the water here, you know, to a hose or whatever you're going to put the water in there, and then connect the gas, and bam, we've got these have little filters in them too, and then you're going to have your your shower. All right, let me set that down. So this you would screw onto the wall, and I do believe that this would just set in there like this, just like that. So that would be, that's your, that's for your shower head. And then they gave you all this extra stuff, and I think you might have to connect it to this to get the hose on there somehow. Probably this piece right here would go on there. And this right here is for this, so you can screw that on the wall. This is where the water comes in. So I'm thinking that it would be this would go on there like that. You gotta, don't lose the washer. You see that? And then you would put your hose in there. You know what I mean? I'm gonna save all this stuff. I'll put it right in here. All right, I think we figured that puzzle out. You know what? I'm gonna stick these in here too, so I don't lose them. Just like that. Bam. There you go. So now it's ready to go. All I gotta do is put some water in it, hook it up to the gas, and bam, Bob's your uncle will have a Gasland portable hot water heater. How's that grab you? Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.